Hey Kinan, do you have a few minutes?
Sure, Jonathan, what's up?
My bike chain came off while I was riding earlier, and I have no idea how to fix it. Could you help me out?
Of course, let's take a look. Where's your bike? Oh, I see the problem. The chain is completely off the gear. Let me grab some tools from my toolbox. Hold on a second.
Thanks for helping me with this. I've tried fixing it before, but I always end up making it worse.
Don't worry, it's not too complicated. Here, let me show you. First, we need to flip the bike upside down so the wheels are easy to access. Now, see how the chain is stuck here? I loosen it a bit. Cold, you hold the back wheel steady for me.
Got it. Like this?
Perfect. Now I careful place the chain back onto the gear. It's important to align it properly. Sometimes you need to pedal the wheel slowly to help the chain catch onto the gear. Can you turn the pedal for me while I guide the chain?
Sure. Is fit okay?
Yes, that's great. Keep going for a few seconds. And there we go. It's back in place.
Wow, you make it look so easy. Thanks a ton, Kinan. I don't know what I do without you.
No problem at all. But next time you should try it yourself. It's a useful skill to have.
True, but I'll probability still call you just in case.
Fire enough anyway. Make sure to check your chain regularly. It's look like it might need some oiling soon.
Oh, really? What kind of oil salt I use?
Just regular bike chain oil. I'll I actually have some if you want me to do it now.
That would be amazing. Thanks, Kinan. You're lifesaver.
Aldon, you are good to go now. Let me know if you run into any more problem.
Will do. Thanks again, Kinan. I owe you one.
Anytime, Jonathan, ride safe. Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kinan Zakaria. NIM ID 19241105. Present perfect tense. Introduction. The present perfect tense is used to describe action that began in the past and have a connection of impact of the present moment. Unlike, unlike the simple past tense, which is used to describe events that happen at a specific time, the past, the present perfect focus on the result or effect of the action. For example, then you say I have finished my homework. It means that the homework was complete at some point in the past, but the result completion of homework is still relevant now. This tense is essential for expressing experience, achievement, change, and action that are relevant to the present. In this lesson, we will examine the structure, usage, and examples of the present perfect tense to help you understand its application in daily conversation, academic writing, and professional communication. Let's dive in. When to use the present perfect tense to talk about experience, we use the present perfect to talk about things we have or haven't done in our lives. The exact time doesn't matter. What's important in that the action happened at some point in the past and is relevant now. Example: I have been abroad 2 times. It doesn't matter when, just that I happened. Anna has never broken a leg. She hasn't had that experience. Have you ever eaten sushi? Asking if this experience has happened is your life. We use the present perfect tense to talk about an action which started in the past and continues up to now. The present perfect is used to describe situation or action that began in the past and are still true or ongoing at the present moment. It emphasizes the connection between the past and the present. The action may have started some time ago, but it's still happening or its effects are still visible now. Example: I have been a teacher for more than 10 years. I started teaching 10 years ago, and I'm still a teacher now. We have we haven't seen Jenny since Friday. We say Jenny last on Friday, and we still haven't seen her now. How long have you been at this school? This asks how long you've been at this school, starting in the past and continuing to now. How to form present perfect tense? For forming the present perfect tense, to make the present perfect, we use the current form of the auxiliary verb have, or has plus the past participle of the main verb. Have is used with a day. I have works here for 2 years. We have visited the museum. Has I used with he, she, it. She has studied English. It has rained today. Past participle of regular verb. For regular verb and it to the base form. Work. Works. Then works. Play. Then played. Listen. then listened. Example: I have worked as a teacher for 5 years. They have they have played soccer this afternoon. He has listened to that song many times. Okay, next. Past participle of irregular verb. For irregular verb, the past participle changes in different ways. Some common ones are go, gone, see, seen, eat, eaten. Example: have you ever seen that movie? She has eaten lunch already. They have gone to their store. Okay, next. Positive form of present perfect tense. To make a positive sentence, use have or has plus past participle. I, you, we, they have plus past participle. I have finished my homework. We have visited the museum. They have traveled to many countries. He, she, it has plus past participle. She has seen that movie. He has worked here for 5 years. It has rained all day. Okay, negative form of present perfect tense. To make a negative sentence, use have, has not, haven't, hasn't, plus past participle. I, you, we, they have not, haven't, plus past participle. I haven't finished my homework yet. They haven't visited that city. We haven't traveled abroad. We see it has not, hasn't, plus past participle. She hasn't seen that movie. He hasn't worked here for long. It hasn't rained today. Okay, thank you for your attention. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.